Hello everyone, and thank you for all those that have recently subscribed. We're slowly getting to the 1,000 mark. We about, at the moment when this is being recorded, end of Feb, we're about 150-ish off 1,000, and then we get monetized, so that's good. Obviously I don't necessarily do it for the money from YouTube, because let's be honest, it's hardly going to make you a fortune unless you turn it big. But we are here today because my plan is to get another 500. I wasn't necessarily looking for one right now because I'm still in the process of trying to get rid of 2. However, I had contact from someone who's asked me to source a car for their daughter before the 1st of April. So I've decided that I'm going to see what I can do and what I can get for my money with not a massive amount of work. And as you can see from the screen, we have identified a Cat N 2013 Lounge, 13 plate with 64,000 miles on the clock. Runs and drives, estimated retail value just shy of 4.5, but we'll ignore that. And it's a manual with keys, no V5 standard, and just clicking on here, nothing of note other than there's one key and there's 4 wheels. So currently at 375 from Bristol. It's approximately about £150 for delivery. Haven't had anything for Bristol in a while, so I'm hoping that's going to stay roughly around that. So why have I picked this one? So we are looking at windscreen damaged, as you can see from here. It's taken an impact on the passenger side. We've got what looks to be, from this angle, a slight crease in the bonnet. The headlight's gone and the DRL has disappeared into the bumper, and then something's gone on here. However, it's quite difficult to tell whether or not that's just the chrome piece that's split or whether the bumper's gone. So let's have a look at this side. So this side, we've got some sort of cracking. Don't know what's gone on there, which is a very peculiar place for the bumper around the tow hook area to crease up or crack. But this side appears to be all good. What I would say is I don't know why these windows are down. I have no idea. So there's nothing I can do about that at the moment. They don't appear, unless they're broken, unless they've been smashed to smithereens. Because if you look on the other side, you see the other side is exactly the same. But there's no plastic sheeting over it either. You can see that's from that angle. The bonnet's gone, and you can see the bumper is cracked here. You might be might be able to sort that out without need to replace it. Not really sure until I can. Oh yeah, look. Actually, from this angle, that bumper's gone. I don't really think I'll be able to sort that out, to be honest with you. Might just need a new bumper, because it's had its day a bit, but you can pretty much rescue everything else with it. But we'll have to see. From the rear, nothing of significance. From this side, again, door handles, wing mirrors, all good. Interior is the slightly better colour of the interior, not the ghastly red. However, this kind of indicates maybe there's some form of, leakage. Very difficult to tell what's going on with the glass, if I'm being honest, from here. Nothing really else to write home about there. Nor the back seats. Engine, obviously the lugs, difficult to tell whether or not that slam panel has been pushed. Very difficult. Difficult also to tell about the cam belt. Just over half a tank of fuel. Nothing of significance on the dash, so I'm happy there. Then strangely we're back to this picture, which we just need to talk. For some reason they've taken a photo of the passenger side quarter panel. I don't know why, because I can't see anything. Maybe that mark, but I can't realistically see anything else that's wrong with that. And then finally the aerial. So I'm going to try and win this tomorrow, because I've already got a bonnet, I've already got a unpainted bumper, and I've got a DRL, so I'll just potentially need to purchase a headlight and some spray paint, and I need to get the windscreen replaced as well. So we're going to try and aim for this one. I have no idea what the price will be. We've still got 21 hours to go. That can change, and the way Copart is at the moment, I monitor Fiat 500s, and some of them are still at absolute ridiculous prices that are sold, and it wouldn't surprise me if I get to midday tomorrow and find that this is already at something like £1,500 or something. So it's a 13 plate, so there's still a massive interest in Fiat 500s anyway, at Copart. 13 plates, so that's still quite good. The MOT, by the way, is advisory free, and it runs, I think, till about October time. So yeah, 21 hours to go. Let's see how we get on. Okay, so up next, I think we're just over 1,000 people watching it. And last time I checked, it was about 875, something like that. So let's get this breaker polo out of the way, and then it's going to be us. Yeah, a bit nerve-wracking, this one. I don't know why. I think it's just because there's a lack of stock around, really, I find, at the moment. So I'd really quite like to win it. I think this will be ending shortly, and it's going to be us. Okay, here we go. No, another bonus time, of course. Right, got to be the end. It's at 925 already. $9.50. Bids are coming in relatively quick. Is anyone going to be... I've got the odd person then. Does it just mean someone else? It is me and someone else. Interesting. New bidder. It's annoying. Ugh. $14.50. Don't know how much more I really want to go on this one. Is someone going to bid on it again? One more.
New bidder.
Oh, come on. Ah.
This is a hot lot.
This is getting a bit stupid now. There's not really a massive amount of profit left in this for me, if I'm being honest. Really not. I'll do one more and that's it, I think, for me. So I was picking these up like about a year ago for about £1,000. So, yeah. Not exactly what I wanted to pay, if I'm being honest. I think out the door that's going to be about £2,000. Shall we have a quick look? Yeah, 150 for delivery. Yeah, not great. So right, time to contact oh, that's Paul messaging me because he knew about this car. Time to arrange the delivery. So that brings us to the end of today's video and the end of this bidding process on the 2013 Lounge. So that will be with me hopefully by the end of the week, and we can start working on that, see what the damage is and take it from there. Not overly impressed with the price, if I'm being honest. I'm not 100% sure whether or not it is the prices of Fiat's 500s at the moment, and that's why they're generally that kind of price at the moment. But it is what it is. So yeah. So the next video after this will probably be the arrival and the walk around of the car. In the meantime, thank you all for watching again. Don't forget to hit the like button, the bell button if you want your phone to ping when a video is going to go live from my channel. And yeah, hit a comment in the box below in regards to, yeah, just what you reckon of the car, whether or not, you know, what you think of prices at the moment. And yeah, and I'll speak to you all again very, very soon.